Welcome to our channel where we make managing your finances simple and straightforward. Welcome to our channel where we make managing your finances simple and straightforward. Activating your Fidelity credit card is a quick process that can have you using your card in no time. First, locate your new Fidelity credit card and ensure you have all the necessary information ready, such as your card number and personal details. The activation can be done in multiple ways for your convenience. One popular method is through the Fidelity website. Simply visit the official Fidelity website, navigate to the credit card activation page, and enter the required details including your card number, expiration date, and the security code on the back. Follow the verification steps to confirm your identity. Another fast and secure method is activating by phone. Call the number provided on the sticker attached to your Fidelity card or on the official Fidelity customer service line. After following the automated prompts or speaking to a representative, your card will be activated promptly. If you prefer mobile options, use the Fidelity app available on your smartphone. Log in with your credentials, select the credit card activation feature, and input your card details as prompted. Once verified, your card will be activated immediately. After activation, make sure to sign the back of your card for security purposes. Also, consider setting up online account access or mobile alerts to monitor your card activity easily. By completing these steps, you ensure your Fidelity card is ready for secure and confident use. Finally, keep your activation confirmation information handy in case you need to reference it later. Don't hesitate to reach out to Fidelity's customer support if you encounter any issues or have questions about your card. Don't forget that staying proactive with your card's security helps protect your financial well-being. Make activating your Fidelity credit card a top priority so you can start enjoying all the benefits it offers without delay. Remember, the process is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly so you can move on with your day quickly. Thank you for trusting us to guide you through this essential step. Make sure to try these activation methods and find the one that works best for you.